All right, guys, what's up? Today, I'm back bringing you another video. And this one's spicy because it's on Haley's car, not mine. So this will be fun. So today, we're getting rid of the nasty chrome badges on the back and the front. We're putting on these nice, beautiful, if I can grab it, these gloss black badges, which I've seen a couple videos on. They look great, so I'm very excited. With a little luck, this will go smooth. So we're gonna start with this chrome Civic thing here. Haley's unwrapping it. And we're starting with what we hope is gonna be the most simple one. It doesn't have any clips or anything, it's just adhesive, so I will let you know how it goes. All right, so there's the guide. Does it? Oh yeah, it literally just sits right there. And then you're going to take your masking tape, as Haley will show you, and just, yeah, tape it off. So then when you put the new one on, it's a nice straight, even line, and it goes right back where the original one was. So yeah, now that it's all messed off, this is the scary part. Now we go, now we pull it off and see what happens. So, oh, it's wiggly. Ooh, one down, 4 to go. The deed is done. Next step is just clean off all that old nasty adhesive and then just put the new one on. So far so good, it's been quite easy, especially because Haley's doing all the work and I'm just filming. Okay, so we've been going at it about 5-ish minutes, and be warned if you're doing this. This is going to take longer than expected. Yeah, these things are very stubborn. They don't like to come off easy. It takes a lot of elbow grease and a lot of time. Just gotta be patient, I guess, but. All right, little update. It has been, let me check the time. It has been 27, 37, 38, 39, 44, 24, no, 14 minutes? I can't do, you don't do math on YouTube. Okay, we started at 9:27. It is now 9:42, and this is our progress. So it's going, just takes persistence. So yeah, we're gonna keep at it. It is now 9:53. We started at 9:27, so we are getting there. All right, so this is what our progress looks like. We just finished up. You can still see the imprint there, and it took us, let me check my watch here, approximately, we started at 10:20 or 9:27. It is now 10:10. So it took us just shy of an hour, call it 45 minutes. Took us 45 minutes to clear it off nice. And now we spray it with some isopropyl alcohol, and I will show you Haley sticking the new badge on. And it's really hard to mess this up because you got the guide. So, and as you can see, we taped the guide up there. So yeah. Oh, this is gonna look so good. I'm already excited to see it. All right, let's see how it looks. Bam. Oh, that looks so good. With a little black lip spoiler. All right, so we got the Civic badge done, and now we're on to the little Honda Silver H. This turned out really, really good. And once that's done, it's gonna really put this whole back end like together. It's gonna mesh really, really nicely, especially with little black lip spoiler and everything. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do this one, and yeah, so let's get to work. All right, the floss strategy worked really well last time, and what Haley was doing is actually, oh, I guess she's gonna show you. She filled up the little cap of Goo Gone with Goo Gone and got the floss nice and wet, and then just stick it behind there and start working at it. And it worked really, really well the first time, so I don't see why it won't work again. All right, so we just got the floss all the way through. The adhesive should be nice and eaten up and broken. So now we gotta figure out a way to pop it off. I guess Haley's strategy is to take another piece of floss behind it and just kind of pull, or I guess multiple pieces of floss. And so I am going to see if this works. Here we go, let's see. Well, that worked really well.
Okay.
Wow. All right. All right, so this is gonna be the same process as before once you get the emblem off. Just patience and patience and more patience, because Lord, this adhesive is thick and it takes forever to get off. We got it all cleaned up. That one took almost 40 minutes on the dot. It is now, let's see. Yep, it is now 11:21, and we started at 10:40. So call it 20 minutes or 40 minutes on the dot. This is a lot of elbow grease. It's gonna look great, but it's already pretty late. So I think we're gonna slap this guy on, and then I'll pick up this video tomorrow morning when we do the front. So we're ready to put this one on, and if you notice back here, it came with these little clip things on it. But if you look here, they stayed in the car. So what you're gonna wanna do is remove these two on the new badge, just by twisting counterclockwise and pulling at the same time. They come right off, it's real easy. So yeah, let's go slap this guy on. Beautiful. Oh damn, she looks good. All right, we're back at it. Day number 2. All we gotta do is tackle this front one, which I don't think there's adhesive on, so that'll make life a lot easier, hopefully. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. I think we're gonna do the floss trick, try to pop it off, and we'll go from there. All right, so if you get a fingernail behind there, you can kind of pry it up a little bit and allow that tool to get behind it. And then once you do that,
okay, get the floss.
Should be able to pop it off. Well, I guess Haley's asking for the floss, so we're gonna do that. As you can see, we just pried up that corner there, which allowed us to get some floss in there. So we put, what, 4 or 5 pieces of floss in there, and then we're just gonna pull the floss. So we'll see if this works. Well, all right, so the strategy now is while Haley's pulling, I'm going to be prying from this inside part here because the 2 clips are located there and there. So get in there.
What if I, wait. What if I do this with the floss?
Oh, there you go. Now you're thinking.
The floss broke.
Floss broke. Okay, take 3. It's probably gonna break, but if it breaks, as long as we get the badge off, it should be all right. There's 1. Come on. There it is.
And it didn't break.
Hey, we only broke 1 pin. Look at that.
I'm gonna hang these on my wall.
All right.
That's usually what happens, and then you gotta get a little pin and push that through.
Yeah, what Haley said. So we're gonna grab something tiny and just shove it through, and then slap the new one on after we clean up the little plastic here. All right, so the little, I don't know, the package we got with these emblems came with these little alcohol wipes, and that's what we've been using to clean off the surface. So they seem to work pretty good. So we're doing that now, and then we'll slap the new one on. All right, the job is done, and let's take a look. That looks so much better, my God. That looks awesome. Let me show you the back too. So this is the final product, and it looks way better. It's kind of hard to see with this lighting, but it looks so dang good. I didn't think it'd make that big of a difference. It actually looks significantly better. I'm very surprised. It looks great.